A while back, a little earlier in my YouTube days, when I was just making these bass shorts, I did this little slap bass rendition of Megalovania, so I thought it'd be a good time to redo it, and not only that, but turn it into a lesson. So the way I played it here, there's a lot going on in terms of technique. Some good skill building qualities to it. So the bass line itself is the repeated notes at the beginning. So it starts on D, and then goes down to C, then B, then B flat. First step is after each of those double slaps, we're gonna pop this high D up here on the G string. Slap, slap, pop. But then we have to do double slap on the C, and then pop D up here. What I do is I use my pinky on the C, on the E string, and then my second finger up here, on the D of the G string. So far we have D, C, then we have B. Now the B is a little easier, because you can use the tip of your second finger on the E, and then do a little bit of a bar to get over there to the D note on the G string. So far we have D, the octave, C, and the high D, B, and the high D, and then B flat, and the high D. After those first three notes, every single measure is the same. So I'm doing a pop on the D, on the G string, slapping A on the D string, down the blues scale, all slaps, and then a slap, hammer onto the F, slap G. The tricky part is being able to take those beginning notes and then finish up the lick after each of those sections. Got a drum beat programmed into the funklet here. I'm gonna start it slower at about 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding a little ghost slap in. 1 and 2 and E, just to help myself keep time a little bit. I just realized I forgot to put a snare drum on beat 4 in the last measure. Added that back in. Well, I should say, added that snare drum in. There, now all the measures are the same. And now I put the tempo at 90. 1, 2, ready, and... Here it is, full speed, 100 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4.